Kaweefube w'akakiiko akatwala ebyemizannyo mu ggwanga ka National Council of Sports okulondoola abazannyi b'emizannyo egy'enjawulo okwetooloola eggwanga lyonna ku kyagenda mu maaso. Era ng'olunaku olwaleero balambudde Akibuwa Stadium Elila, ekimu ku bisaawe ebyalina okuzimbibwa nga kyabbulwa mu yali omuddusi w'eggwanga Nakinku John Akibuwa. National Council of Sports balambudde ne Soroti Sports Ground kw'ossa Oligoye Stadium, wabula ng'eno yadde abatuuze beesenza ku ttaka ly'ebisaawe bino wakyaliwo ettaka erisobola okulaakulanyizibwa.
As we are moving, I request we check on this handball as because we are going to be on the road and move back like this.
Ekibangirizi ky'ebyemizannyo ekya Katin Soroti nakyo bakirambudde. Era Juliet Ipagi nga yamyuka meeya owa Soroti agamba balina okutunuulira nnyo okuteekawo ensimbi okulabirira ebisaawe bino.
Actually, we have been clashing with the PEO, DEO on the issue of sports, putting some money on it. But since we shared today with the National Council, I've known that it is better to put a budget for the sports to stand on its own, not to depend on others.
If we are to get fully engaged and qualitatively, then we really need those theater of excellence. You will need good sports stadia, you need good ground, for example, for your football clubs to participate optimally. For the athletes to be there, they will have to have at least theaters of competition.
Okusinziira ku ssaabawandiisi wa National Council of Sports, Dr. Bernard Patrick Ogwell, kaweefube okuzuula ebitone ebirala okwetoola ebitundu by'eggwanga ebitali bimu, alina n'okutunuulira amasomero wamu n'amatendekero aga waggulu. National Council of Sports nate bakyaliddeko Soroti University era nga basanzeeyo yiika 45 ezateekebwawo okulaakulanya ebyemizannyo.
Have the requisite talents in all the regions, and we are where the history will haunt us, because the great players, athletes, have emerged from this region we have talked about, northern region, northeast. We are celebrating people like Etolu, Max Omeda, Paro Cage, name them. We want to determine and encourage this local government to provide to us land that are put aside for sports development, especially for infrastructure. Because we want to capture this as information that will guide the council in the planning if the opportunities for investment in these infrastructures and allocation of resources as we move forward across the regions in Uganda.
We must develop the regional stadia. We've been firm with the people. Yesterday, I think we were in Lira and we were firm with the people in Lira about the presidential pledge of the Akibuwa Stadium. It's going to be done. The president has pledged and it's top on the list. But even the other cities like Gulu, like here, Soroti, these stadia that they have to be redeveloped to a very good level. To redevelop the infrastructure, we make sure that first of all you secure the land, you plan for the land, and that's why we moved around. At least for the district, we've come out with a model design of a minimum of 11 acres. That's a bare minimum, and we're showing them that on 11 acres, this is what you can have as playgrounds. Not just to say we are doing sports and there's only athletics and soccer. No, we provide for all the other sports.
Ebifo ebirala bye batuuseemu kubaddeko disitulikiti y'e Katakwi. Era nga wenkoledde emboozi eno nga boolekera Tororo Kings George Stadium kw'ossa ekisaawe ekya Fufa Technical Center Enjeru. Abel Kitaka, Salt TV, Omunyo.